Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to insert and delete rows and columns in Excel. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest updates, and by the end of the video don't forget to hit the like button. First of all, open the Excel worksheet. Now we want to add or delete rows and columns in this worksheet. The first step is to click on the desired row where you want to add row. Now in Home tab, find the option Insert. Click on it and click on Insert Sheet Row. Look, a new row has been added in it. To add a new column in Excel sheet, click on Desired Column and press Insert tab and click on it. Insert Sheet Column. Look, new column has been added in it. To delete rows from Excel sheet, click on Desired Row and press Delete option here. Select Delete Sheet Row. See, the row has been deleted. Similarly, delete the column from Excel sheet. So that's how to insert and delete rows and columns in Excel. If you have any question about the entire process, please leave a comment below. If this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.